Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to draw the XABCD pattern on TradingView. If you're exploring harmonic patterns or simply want a clear way to map potential market swings, drawing this pattern directly on your chart is a fast and reliable way to visualize structure. The XABCD pattern is particularly useful for identifying reversal points in the market, and it helps you anticipate price moves before they happen. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can follow along without second guessing where to go, making this process easy and straightforward. First, look at the left-hand toolbar in TradingView. This vertical bar holds all your drawing tools. Find the fourth icon from the top and focus on the small caret icon next to it. Go ahead and click that caret. This action expands a panel of additional tools that aren't visible by default, which keeps your workspace tidy until you need something more specialized. Having a clean, organized workspace will help you stay focused, especially when working with a lot of indicators and chart tools. With the expanded tools open, you'll see the option labeled XABC pattern. Click on that. When you do, your cursor will change to indicate the tool is active and ready. This is your visual cue that the platform is now listening for your points on the chart. TradingView is going to automatically connect what you select, forming the XABCD pattern as you go. This is a huge time saver and takes away the guesswork, ensuring accuracy and consistency in your technical analysis. Now it's time to place it. Click on the 4 points on the chart where you want the pattern applied. Choose clear swing points that represent the move you're mapping and place them in the sequence that reflects how price traveled. Think of each point as a key juncture where the market made a noticeable shift in direction. Each click should be deliberate and placed directly on the candles you consider most meaningful, those that stand out as significant peaks or valleys. If you're new to harmonic patterns, focus on placing these points at the most obvious price swings that define the structure you're trying to map. As you move from the first to the fourth point, TradingView will start drawing the structure for you, connecting the dots and laying out the geometry so you can see the pattern take shape. The software will automatically generate the lines and angles that represent the pattern, saving you the effort of doing it manually. Take a moment to ensure your clicks line up with visible highs and lows, so the result is easy to interpret later. The clearer your swing points, the more accurate your analysis will be. If you're working on a busy chart, give yourself a second to hover and confirm you're choosing the exact candle you want before committing each point. Sometimes, when the chart is cluttered, it can be easy to miss the precise candle you need. Don't rush through this step. Hover over the candle and double-check it before you click. The extra moment of care will make your pattern more accurate and your analysis more reliable. And that's all there is to it. By expanding the tools from the left bar, selecting the XABCD pattern, and clicking 4 points, you've added a clean, professional pattern overlay to your chart. This visual structure will help you spot potential trend reversals and market opportunities. Over time, this will become an intuitive tool in your trading toolkit. Practice this a few times on different instruments or time frames to build confidence in choosing consistent points. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel, and you'll be able to spot these patterns quickly and accurately. Thanks for watching, and enjoy applying the XABCD pattern to your analysis. Remember, mastering these patterns can give you an edge in the market, especially when combined with other indicators. Keep experimenting and happy trading.